Hello class 10 children. Now today we will be doing the next topic of word processing advanced, that is digital documentation advanced, and the topic is create and use template. Now first of all, what are templates? The templates are sample fill in the blank documents present in the Word document that helps us informing the documents for various purposes. For example, an application format, then letter format, business letter or formal letter, informal letter, then agenda type, or simply giving notes. So basically a template is a sample of document present inside the Word document that helps you in making professional documents without taking much time. That means they are saving your time and effort. They are just samples. You can take from these samples and just by changing the certain things, like for example taking an example of an application. So the application format is same, just the date and the reason changes. So where the date and the reasons needs to be mentioned, there will be fill in the blanks. So you will take this sample from the Word, you will just fill those fill in the blanks and your application is ready. So template is a model that is used to create other documents. For example, you can create a template for business report that has your company's logo on the first page. So new documents created from this template will all have your company's logo on the first page. Now templates can contain anything that regular documents contain: text, graphics, a set of styles. Everything that a normal document contains, the templates can contain. So all documents in openoffice.org are based on templates. You can create a template of any document type: text, spreadsheet, drawing, or presentation. If you do not specify any template, then the document is based on the default template for that type of document. Now next is how to create a template. In order to create a template, there are two ways. One is from the document and the other one is using a wizard. Now first one is creating a template from a document. Now in order to create a template from a document, first of all, the first step will be open a new or existing document of the type that you want into a template. Then you will add its content and styles. Then you will go to main menu, that is file, and then you will choose from there templates. So what will happen? A template dialog box will open as shown in the video. Now this templates dialog box has a new template field where you will type the name of the new template. Then in the categories list, click the category to which you want to assign the template. So it can be any category. For example, presentation category, my templates category. So the category that you choose will have no effect on the template. It is simply the folder in which you are saving your templates. So choosing an appropriate category makes it easier to find the template when you want to use it. Now afterwards you click OK to save the new template. Also you can see at the right hand side there is an edit option which helps you to make changes to the template that you have created. So just save it and click OK. So this is one way, that is from the document. Any settings that can be added to or modified in a document can be saved in a template. Printer settings can be saved, then styles to be used, formats and settings, all these things can be saved. For example, templates can also contain predefined text. For example, a letter template may be having your name, address and salutation. So this is one way to create the template. Next is using a wizard. Now wizard, as I have told you earlier also, it is a program that runs on itself, just giving you the steps, next. So using the wizard, what you will be doing, you will be from the main menu, you will choose file, and then you have the wizards option there. That means this wizard option has the type of template. For example, letter, fax, presentation, agenda, whichever template you want, just click on it. So now they will be opening a window known as wizard. So just by clicking on next, 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 you will be able to create a template using a wizard. You can specify the name and location for saving the template. Finally, you will have the option of creating a new document from this wizard. So this are the two ways how we can create a template. First one was from the document itself, and the second one is from the wizard. Now the difference between the two is both are using the file menu. In the from a document, file, templates you will be going, and in the wizard way you will be choosing file and then wizards option. So these are the different ways in which we can create a template. So children, today we have studied about a template and how to create it. That is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.